You've just finished a massive project, sent out that final invoice, and breathed a sigh of relief. But what happens to that invoice after it's been paid? Does it just disappear into the ether? Or does Xero keep a record for you? Let's be honest. Keeping track of invoices can feel like a never-ending game of digital hide and seek. You need them for tax purposes, for auditing, and sometimes even for resolving disputes. So the question is, how long does Xero actually keep your invoices? The short answer is, Xero retains your invoices indefinitely. But let's dive deeper. Understanding Xero's data retention. Xero is a cloud-based accounting software, which means your data is stored on their secure servers. This brings several advantages. Accessibility. You can access your invoices from anywhere with an internet connection. Security. Xero employs robust security measures to protect your data from unauthorized access. Disaster recovery. In the event of a local hardware failure, your data remains safe and accessible. This indefinitely data retention policy by Xero is a significant benefit for businesses. Here's why. Tax compliance. Tax regulations vary by country and jurisdiction. Having access to historical invoices is crucial for accurate tax reporting and audits. Auditing trails. In case of an audit by your accountant or the tax authorities, Xero provides a clear audit trail of all financial transactions, including invoices. Dispute resolution. If a dispute arises with a client regarding payment or services rendered, having access to the original invoice can be invaluable evidence. Business analysis. Historical invoice data can be used for valuable business analysis. You can track trends in sales, identify your most profitable clients, and make informed decisions about pricing and service offerings. Beyond invoices, what else does Xero keep? Xero stores a comprehensive record of your business's financial transactions, including bank transactions. Xero automatically imports bank transactions, providing a complete picture of your cash flow. Expenses. Track all business expenses, from travel costs to office supplies. Bills. Manage and pay bills to suppliers efficiently. Contacts. Store customer and supplier information in one central location. Reports. Generate a wide range of reports, including profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Data security and privacy. Xero takes data security very seriously. They employ industry-standard security measures, such as data encryption. Your data is encrypted both in transit and at rest. Access controls. You control who within your organization has access to your Xero data. Regular security audits. Xero conducts regular security audits and penetration tests to identify and address any vulnerabilities. Finding and accessing your old invoices. Finding an old invoice in Xero is usually quite straightforward. Use the search bar. Xero has a powerful search function. You can search by invoice number, customer name, date range, or any other relevant criteria. Filter reports. Utilize the filtering options within Xero's reports to narrow down your search and find the specific invoices you need. Utilize the archived function. If you've archived old invoices to declutter your active list, you can easily access them from the archived section. Tips for managing your invoice data. Regularly reconcile your accounts. Reconciling your bank and credit card accounts with Xero ensures data accuracy and helps identify any discrepancies. Categorize expenses. Categorizing your expenses helps you track spending effectively and generate more insightful reports. Utilize Xero's automation features. Automate recurring invoices and payments to save time and reduce the risk of errors. Regularly review and clean up your data. Delete or archive old and unused data to keep your Xero account organized and efficient. Xero's indefinite data retention policy provides businesses with a valuable resource for tax compliance, auditing, dispute resolution, and business analysis. By understanding how Xero stores and manages your data, you can leverage this information to make informed decisions and ensure the smooth and efficient operation of your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.